Hello everyone, it's me Chebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to create your own music note charts for free in Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application name as MuseScore. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just click on this download option and now just click on this software. Now you'll see here the various download option for different operating system. So right now I'm using a Windows computer, so I'm gonna download for Windows version. So just select this second option, MuseScore Studio without MuseHub. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run this software installer. Click on next, click on accept, click on next, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish and wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see the welcome screen. So you can select the light or dark theme depending upon your needs. So I'll just skip it right now. Click on next. Now you can watch a video tutorial also, or you can just click on next, click on finish. Now on the left side you will see my accounts. You can create your account also and click on the scores. So under the scores you can create your new music note charts, and next to it is a plugins. You can add some plugins, so available plugins here, and Muse sounds also you can get it onlinely. And the last one is learn. You can learn the different chart. And now just click on this scores and click on this new score. Now here you can see choose instrument or create from template. So you can choose the instrument also before starting, or you can select the create from template also. So I'll just select this first one, and once you're done click on next. Now here you can add your title, composer name, subtitle, lyrics, copyright. You can add everything here, or you can do it later on also. So once you're done, click on done. Now it will show you the charts. So now in order to add your music notes, just click on this pencil icon. Now just select the notes, whichever note you want to add. So here you can see different notes. So I'll just add this note. You can place it wherever you want to place. So I'll just place it here, and now you can place it more. So you can keep doing it depending upon how long you want to make your music note charts. So I'm done with this. Just to give an example, you can change the title name also here. Just untick this pencil icon and just double click on this option. So before saving this music note charts, you can play it also by clicking on this play button. So you can listen it before saving it. So now in order to export or save it, you can click on this publish and you can click on this export. And now you can see here different format options. Just click on it. You can save it as PDF file, PNG, SVG, MP3, WAV audio files, OGG audio, FLAC audio, MIDI file, music, XML, Braille, MEI. So these are the options you're gonna get. So if you want to save it as an audio file, you can just save it as MP3 audio file also. Or if you want to save it as an image file, then you can save it as PDF or PNG. So let us save it as an image file. On the left side you can select the piano. Since I have selected the instrument piano also, you can select it, but right now I'll just keep it as it is. You can change the resolution of your image file also, so I'll just keep it right now. And you can change the transparent background also of the image file, and you can open the destination folder to export if you want to change the output folder. So now just click on this export and click on save. Now this music charts has been saved. So now let us go to the folder where we have saved the file. Just open this documents folder and you will see one folder name with MuseScore. Just open it and just open the scores folder. You'll see here the file which you have exported. So you can see here the music note charts which I have created, and if you want to save it for later use, then you can just click on this file and you can click on this save as and click on this save to computer, and you can save it as MuseScore file by clicking on save. So by using this application named as MuseScore, you can easily create your own music note charts for free in Windows, Mac and Linux computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.